Cheers. Now we're gonna do lemony asparagus. I love asparagus, but it has to be prepared the right way. Plain asparagus doesn't do it for me. So we're gonna prepare this with some Primal Kitchen lemon turmeric dressing and some lemon zest. Probably the easiest prep of all. Just cut the butt ends off the asparagus and lay them into a sheet like so. A little bit of Primal Kitchen avocado oil over the top, some Primal Kitchen lemon turmeric dressing. That's going to really impart the flavor to it. And again, like I say, use with reckless abandon. Beautiful. A little bit of salt and pepper. You're going to have preheated the oven to 420, which seems to be a theme among roasted vegetables. 420 seems to be that operative number. And these are basically good to go. So I'm going to put these in the oven. Okay, have preheated the oven to 420. Asparagus being a little bit more delicate than, say, Brussels sprouts or broccoli. Let's check it at 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes would be about right, I think. Okay, the asparagus looks about right, so I have taken it out of the oven. I've plated it, and now I'm just going to zest it a little bit. Let's see, here we go. A little bit of zest, and then finally some lemon juice. A little squeeze of lemon juice over the top. Looking delicious and good to go.